Meaning of friends.
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 Friends. Friends typically refers to a group of individuals who share a close bond and have a positive relationship with each other. These personal relationships are often built on mutual trust, respect, and shared experiences. Friends can provide emotional support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. In today's society, friendships can be formed in various ways, including through school, work, social media, or common interests. Friendships can be an essential aspect of human life, contributing to overall happiness, mental health, and social well-being.